Hi there, my name's Carrie Griffiths. Now, if you're watching this video and you're a creative person who would like to end procrastination, get more motivated and get more done, then this video is for you. So keep watching because I've got some tips that are going to help you. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that I see creative people making now, whether you're a musician, an artist, producer, filmmaker, maybe you're a writer. Now, what often happens with us creative people is that, you have a really, really great idea, you get started, all guns blazing, you're on fire, and then part way through the project, you kind of lose interest, all right? Now, why does that happen? The thing is, human beings are creative animals, okay? We're creative beings, but we actually create things more than once. First of all, in our minds, so maybe you see a project or you hear it, or sometimes we can even feel it happening in our bodies, okay? So if this is you've created it once in your mind, and then at least another time in the physical world. And sometimes there are lots and lots of different creations in between, especially if you're doing drafts or you're doing dry runs of projects and what have you. So we create things many, many times. And so what tends to happen is that we look at the bigger picture. So what is probably happening with you is that you're looking at the bigger picture and you're getting overwhelmed. Okay, what happens then is you get confused, you're not sure what to do next, mistakes happen, you run into problems, you're not quite sure how to get over them, and so you lose interest, you become demotivated, and the project stops. If it doesn't stop, it slows down a lot, but you're really not that into it anymore, so it kind of just drags, right? And you feel like, can't really be bothered with this. So I've got some tips that are going to help you. Now, why should you listen to me? Not only am I a singer and a music lecturer in a college in London, here in London, I also run 3 businesses. So in order to do that, I have to be very organised, I have to be motivated, I have to be disciplined, and I have to get these projects done so that everything can run smooth. What I do with clients, what clients say that they love about working with me is that not only is it lively and interactive, but we really get to the nitty gritty of why you want to get these projects done. So I'm going to give you some tips right now. Now, the first thing to do is to break things down into smaller steps. So we've got the big project that you're now feeling overwhelmed by, you're now not really interested in, and is now such a challenge to you that you've got a little voice in the back of your head telling you that you're never going to get it done, you're rubbish, why did you even bother starting? All of that nonsense that we carry with us, and it's not true, because you've already had success and you can have more success again, even with this project that you're thinking of right now. Okay, so here's what you can do. Break it down into smaller chunks, smaller projects that you can handle in short bursts of time. The next thing that you can do is to look to people that can help you. Now, these might be people that you can delegate tasks to, that can actually do the thing, or people that can give you advice. And the last thing to do is to remember why you wanted to get this project done in the first place. Now, you took it on for a reason, you started it for a reason, and when you remember what that reason is, and the impact that that's going to have on you, the people around you, and the people that see that project, the people that you deliver to, the end customer, the end client, so to speak, then that is going to help you to stay motivated, stay disciplined, and get the stuff done. Now, if this video has helped you, then do like and comment and share with anyone that it's going to help. But also, now I'd also like to help you. I've got some spaces coming up in the next few weeks where I would like to get on a call with you. We deep dive into whatever it is that you're stuck with, what you're feeling challenged by. We can work out where it is that you're being held up, end the procrastination. We can look at how to take the next step, get things moving, and get your project back on the road. So click the link somewhere around here, book your call, and I'll see you very, very soon. Take care, stay hydrated. Ciao!